that you see that's on the wall that have this above are the newer ones. The ones that you see that's not connected are the older style.
Oh,
So this is what they're gonna be going from. These are the ones that we're gonna be replacing, and they're gonna be going to a newer style like that.
okay.
Okay? Okay, so let's go down to the next room. This is all residential again.
Okay.
And basically what we do, we have circuits that they're gonna be building on the wall too. So these are the branch circuits, these are the circuits that's gonna be a house. So if I come on this side here, and most of the time, this stuff is on, but this is all in the stick room. I already got this set up in the back for y'all also. So like if this is on, you know, these would be the circuits that they'll be wiring in the house,
So Max,
you know, turn stuff
all
on and
these
off.
back in there, these should be all right.
Okay?
Okay.
They got to.
So again, all residential,
Yeah.
doorbells, all this is residential. Yes.
What do you refer, what do you call that?
That is the parts board. Those are individual parts that they gonna need to know, and we just start learning those throughout the program. It's a parts board.
But forgot the landscape
didn't know
lights. So you
what
Yep.
got the landscape lights. And
then again, same thing in this room. The stuff that you see hooked up is the new stuff. The stuff that's on the wall that's in the corner is all of the older stuff. That's the stuff that we gonna be changing out and putting in the newer panels.
Out there, the garbage was way up there.
Okay.
So you gotta calculate the garbage.
Again, we got ceiling fans, we got doorbells, we got, these receptacles are for dryers, those are for range receptacles. You know, all the stuff that we gonna do in a residential or in the home,
Because you gotta add those,
okay?
copy the rest first.
Okay, let's go to room 101.
You'll be able.
It's called a control panel.
Yeah, the control panel. You'll be that guy that can get the belt back running or the whatever. Is that right?
Conveyor.
Okay. Now Maurice told me that. I was just testing. Okay. And then after that, I'll just be like, yeah. So you do all this.
So you got transmitters,
Yeah. So-
motors, and mounts on the wall.
So these are motors.
Yup.
This is a control box. These are
The
relays.
relays.
These are motor starters.
Yep.
Those are indicators up here, and this is a disconnect. So each one of these setups is for an individual student to do all their labs.
Okay.
Is what it is. Okay.
So motor, control box,
Control panel.
Panel.
control panel.
Relays.
Relays,
Okay.
motor starters.
Disconnect. Indicators or lights.
What do the relays do?
Got it. Okay. I'm
The relays control, so like when I push a button here, one of these relays will come on and turn on an output or a motor or
okay.
start this.
Okay, kind of like relaying to a message to
Yes,
something else.
yes,
Okay.
like the automatic doors that's up front.
Okay,
When you
okay.
walk in, a sensor picks you up, a relay open up that door.
Okay.
Control panel, motor, relays.
Motor starters,
Motor starters.
And,
indicators or lights, and this is a disconnect.
okay,
And then this right here is a terminal strip.
okay, yeah, okay.
Something that's used in commercial and industrial, and in residential, we use wire nuts. And like I say, each one of these setups are the same because it's just enough. We got 13 stations for, you know, the individual students to build their
Is
labs.
this residential over here?
And then I tell my students too, like,
Some of that is, but this room, we in the process of converting because this is only going to be the industrial side of here. Some of that stuff still is residential over there, but we're in the process of taking all that stuff off the wall and making it strictly industrial.
Kayla, you see these big gray boxes, Mr. Clark, what are
Yes,
these?
so these are transformers, right? And I'm gonna show you these in the back. These are transformers. So you know we have a separate class that we teach just transformers, and that's what these are.
Transformers. What the transformers control the.
Transformer usually step voltage up or step it down. Usually, so when the power coming down the poles, it step that voltage down so we can let it go in the house and something can. The meter up there is older. The one that's on the far end over there, the bottom thing, that's the multimeter that they get. That's older. They get a newer style now. But everything else is what they're gonna receive when they do. The GFCIs is gonna be on the countertop. Of course, us hooking up, this is here is a, you know, the microwave, we got a dishwasher, we got another dishwasher above the counter microwave. So,
Why do you have those appliances in there?
to show them how to hook them up, to make sure they can do them.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you say hook them up, just plug.
got that
What,
part.
just plug
Well,
it in.
you know, so the deal is with this type of microwave here, this don't plug in. We have to install a receptacle inside this cabinet.
Oh.
Because it's above the.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
As
I
opposed
got
to one that's just sitting, you
you.
plug
Like a
into
new construction home, for example, they
Yes.
put everything together. Okay, I got you. Yep, I
You're
got
learning
you.
how to,
You got switches for the outside lights. You know, so you can let the students go in here and let them interact with the stuff in this room.
Yes.
You know, the circuits that we're gonna be building are these three-way circuits. You can come in here and let them hit this, baby switches, which is controlling the receptacle, and a switch on the receptacle, that would be something that would be in the living room.
Oh.
You know, when you go to the living room, you don't have overhead light, you gotta
Yep.
plug in a lamp, that's where the baby switch is.
Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I kind of labeled these names so they'll be easier for you to memorize those as they come in. But these type of circuits, they can just come in here and play. And then on this side over here, of course, is the basement. Outside for the furnace. This is the furnace, the air conditioner, if they got an in-house air conditioner. Or if they have like an exhaust fan. Some of the older houses still have these. But this setup is for them to come in here and just, you know, play.
Mr. told me to do HVAC, but I'm kind of interested in electrical. What would you say to him?
I would say we learn HVAC still. I don't like to say it, but we actually go further than HVAC because, you know, sometimes people get offended.
Yeah.
You know, but think about it like this. You know, the quarterback does all of the work on the football field. He has to know everybody's job, and that's what the electrician is in the trades. So.
That's a good. That's good, right?
Yeah.